Hi guys, my name is Roland from the Handyretter, and today I will show you how we changed the back cover of a Xiaomi 13 Lite. Let's go. Okay, here we go. I will show you the tools that I use for opening this device. I need alcohol, I need a screwdriver, tweezers, and some opening tools, some plastic cards. And of course we need heat. So this is a heat mat. We have here a part that's just heating up for about around 80 to 90 degrees, few minutes, and then I will start opening the back cover. Okay, so first of all, I will use the alcohol. I still have it on my heat plate, and I will put some drops of alcohol around the frame. It will help us because it will make the adhesive tape weaker, so it lifts up more quickly. And especially where I try to enter the device on the corner, I will try to go in here. I will put a little bit more. Okay, so it's still hot, and now we are going to put the metal one on the corner, on the edge. Let's see how we can. Okay, now remove the metal one because, to be honest, it's too dangerous to use for the whole device. But now I have the perfect entry and I can go all around. Always put some more alcohol on it. All right. There we go. So we will put the one on that we already used. But if you have a new one, be sure that you have an original one or nearly the close quality, because you need strong adhesive tapes around that you need to pull up the stripes, and then you will just replace the old back cover. I always try to adjust at the top. So first put it here and then leave it. And now put it back on heat for a few minutes, let's say 2 minutes. And with the heat, you will use pressure to really tight the back cover back to the frame all over, like this. If you have clamps, use clamps. That's it. We repaired the Xiaomi 13 Lite. I hope you liked this video. You can write your questions in the comments. We will answer all of them. And you can help us as well really much if you subscribe our channel. We will upload more and more videos in the future with the new devices coming up. So if you don't want to miss any of them, follow us. See you soon.